In pharmaceutical production, X-ray inspection systems play a critical role in making sure pharmaceutical products are safe and ready for patient use. X-ray systems in pharma production primarily perform quality control checks after product packaging. These include product completeness checks, package integrity, identifying damaged components, and finding physical contaminants such as metal, plastic, and glass. So how does it work? An X-ray beam passes through the product, creating an X-ray image of what's inside. Missing components, physical contaminants, and other packaging defects are identified, and non-conforming products are removed from the production line. In pharmaceutical production, X-ray is most often placed near the end of the production line, after packaging, to perform a final check. X-ray inspection helps prevent damaged or contaminated products from leaving the production facility. This helps protect patients, maintains regulatory compliance, and helps avoid product recalls and costly fines. For more information on pharmaceutical X-ray inspection, you can visit our website.